In this video, I'll show you how to export a report in Salesforce so you can analyze the data in a spreadsheet or share it with others outside the platform. Start by opening the Reports tab and selecting the report you want to export. Before downloading, review the filters, date range, and columns to make sure the report shows exactly the data you need, since the export will reflect the current view. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to the Edit button and choose Export. Salesforce will ask you to select the export view. Choose Formatted Report if you want the file to look similar to the on-screen layout with groupings and summaries, or choose Details only if you need clean row-by-row data for analysis. Then select the file format, typically Excel or CSV, depending on how you plan to use the data. After confirming, Salesforce will generate the file and your browser will download it for review or sharing. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.